Okay, welcome to our Math Tidbits Week 2. All right, today we're going to look at Sec 4 Additional Mathematics or Sec 4 A Math. And we'll touch on the topic of differentiation, which is the common topic for many schools for the Sec 4 A Math syllabus. Okay, so based on the syllabus, most schools have completed basic differentiation. The next thing will be something called the chain rule, which is something that is very useful when it comes to differentiating terms that have a much larger power. So for example, if we differentiate this term of y equals to bracket 2x plus 3 squared, what we usually do is that we can expand this, all right, using our special algebraic identities of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and this will give us 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Okay, and we can do our term-by-term differentiation, and this will give us 8x plus 12. However, if the power is much larger, for example, the question over here, when y equals to 2x plus 3 bracket to the power of 10, we are definitely not going to expand this because it's going to take almost forever. So instead, we need to use the chain rule to help us. So the chain rule works this way. We will first differentiate the function by treating 2x plus 3 as a single variable, meaning we will bring down the 10, okay, and we just copy and paste the 2x plus 3, subtract 10 by 1, and we'll get 9. However, chain rule says that we have to differentiate what's within the bracket as well. So differentiating 2x plus 3 will give us simply the constant 2. All right? So to make this clearer, if you look at this function over here, when we differentiate this, we simply get the constant 2. And we can tidy this up a bit, and we will get the final answer to be 20 bracket 2x plus 3 bracket the power of 9. So if you observe, if we use the same method for the previous question of chain rule, we can also obtain the same result. So let me just demonstrate it in a different pen color. So if we apply the chain rule without even expanding, we can bring down the power here. Subtract 2 by 1, we'll get a power of 1. We can omit that. And if we apply chain rule, we will get a 2 here because the differentiation of 2x plus 3 is simply the constant 2. And if we tidy this up a bit, we realize that we obtain the same value at a much faster rate compared to the previous method. And so this is how we apply the chain rule. Oops, sorry, this is slight careless here. This should be 12. Hopefully I spotted that. Okay, so we get the same value of 8x plus 12 for both the expansion method as well as the chain rule method. So feel free to apply the chain rule when you're expanding terms with a much larger power. All right, so that's all for today's Sec 4 A Math Tidbits. As usual, feel free to follow us on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, as well as check out our awesome products that will guide you along for A Math as well as Sec 1 Mathematics. Have a good day ahead.